Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone. And today in this video I'm going to work on this idiom. Enough is enough. This expression. Enough is enough. Enough is used sometimes on its own, sometimes in a sentence as a part of a sentence, but mainly makes sense, makes its own, it's not dependent. So you can have it as a separate sentence. But yeah, used in a sentence or as a sentence, it means stop doing something. If you tell someone enough is enough, means no more. Stop it. Stop what you are doing. Okay? When you are telling someone that they have been doing something for too many times or for too long, something that should not happen anymore, something that shouldn't have happened. For example, uh, someone is doing, let's say, kind of a kidding or a joke or teasing someone. Okay, they are teasing you. Let's say in a group, they're teasing you about something that you have done in the past, and they laugh for one time and you tolerate it. They laugh again and they stop doing that again. They tell other people about it. The next gathering and the next gathering, and they keep doing this. And you want to put a full stop to this at the end of this, and you want it done. You want it finished. So you can go to the person, to the group, and say, look, enough is enough. Means that is the last time. So you are giving them a warning. You're telling them to stop. Okay, so this is not a thing that friends would tell each other, hey, come on, let's do this. No, no, no. You are warning someone. Okay, so this is mainly with a warning tone. So this is not when you are laughing with a big grin over here. No, you frown the eyebrows, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, this is the mimic. This is where you would tell it. Okay, you would not just laugh and say, hey, hey guys, enough is enough. Oh no, no, say enough. Look at this. Enough is enough. All right. So you are warning someone. You are telling someone to stop something that is not appropriate. Okay. So now let's look at these examples. Should be more clear after these ones. Someone has got to stand up and say enough is enough. Something dodgy is going on. Something bad is happening. Something that should not really happen is going on, and we know this, and we all we're thinking that, yeah, someone should do this, should stand up. It doesn't mean that they are sitting. It means should confront, should face the person who is doing that. Someone should go to them. Someone should confront the ones that are making or are the troublemakers and say, hey, listen, quit, stop. That's all. That's enough. Okay. So enough is enough. That's enough. As I told you, it's a warning. Or over here, look, enough is enough. Okay, so you can see the tone over here. Look, you're trying to kind of alert the person to you're calling for one's attention. Look, this look is doing that, and then enough is enough is the warning. So look, enough is enough. He has borrowed £200 already. Okay, someone has borrowed some money from you. I will give it back. I will pay up. I will pay you back when I've got my this or that. Yeah, I will pay at the end of this week. And can you give me some more? Can you lend me some more? I will pay at the end of the month. And they borrow £10 and £10 and another £10, and they do it for 20 times, and now they owe you £200, and again they have sent someone else to ask you for another, and you say, look, enough is enough. That's enough. I'm not going to do that. Stop it. I'm not lending you money. So look, enough is enough. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. he's borrowed £200 already. Okay, means I'm not going to do this. You'd better stop this. Okay, so this is how we want. Enough is enough again. Very, very different, you see. This one was look, enough is enough. This one is enough is enough. So yeah, this is how we use it. Enough is enough. I don't want to argue with you anymore. At the end of an argument, for a long time, maybe it has gone through the same, you start the same thing and you explain, and the person defends and gives some excuses, and we're in a loop. We're going back and forth to the beginning of the discussion and coming back to the excuses and arguing the excuses and going back again and doing that. It takes all night, and you might continue this for all your lifetime. So you say, enough is enough. I'm not going to argue with you anymore. I'm not going to continue this. Okay, so stop it. Don't continue. So this is another way to say stop. That's enough. I don't want to hear. I don't want to have any more information, anything. I don't want to hear anything more. Okay. I think now you're going to tell me, all right, enough is enough. We've got it. Okay. I hope you have got it and you've learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.